Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to take Science for 3rd Standard, and the lesson name is Force. So, we already finished 2 lessons, children. Now, we are going to go to the 3rd lesson. Now, we'll see the force. In our daily life, we do different actions such as pushing, pulling, twisting, and turning. Pushing means what? Thalradhu. Pulling means ilukkiradhu. Twisting and turning means tiruppiradhu. By doing these actions, we move or change the shape of an object. So what we'll do? We can move or we can change the shape of an object. So in our daily life, we do different actions such as pushing, pulling, twisting, and turning. So these we do in our daily life. By doing these actions, we can move or change the shape of an object. We can move or change the shape of an object. Okay. So in our daily life, what we can do? We are doing pushing, pulling, twisting, turning. All these we are doing. But how we are doing? We can move or change the shape of an object. Now, change in position of an object is called movement. Movement nanadu nagatradhu. Okay. So, we can change the position of an object is called movement. That is, change the position of an object. So, we can change the position of an object is called a movement. Movement means what? That is nagatradhu. Then action is a motion which gives a required result. Result means mudivu, illaya? So action is a motion which gives a required result. So what is the result given here? Action. Motion means movement. What we are doing the movement, from that we can get that action. So first is change in position of an object is called movement. Movement means what I said? Nagatradhu. So change in the position. Position na ovore edamu ingenda anga maatradhu illaya? Position engadhu maatradhu of an object. Object means oru porul. Then action is a motion which gives a required result. Now see here, the pictures, 2 pictures are given here. Okay, look at these pictures. In that, first is the player hits the ball with a hockey stick. So it's a hockey player. What he is doing is hitting the ball with a hockey stick. Next, boys. 2 boys are riding a bicycle. Okay, riding a bicycle na cycle la otitu poranga. Then they have asked in the above picture what moves. So what moves there in the first picture? Ball is moving. Enna nagatranga avanga? Ball. Next is what they are doing? Then that is they are riding a cycle. What is moving there? Cycle. So what moves means? What moves is ball and bicycle. So those who are having the book, you can write in your book, children. Those who are not having the notebook, just you can take down in your notebook. Then what is the action? So in these 2 pictures, first they ask what moves. Yeah, so moving is ball and the cycle. Next they are asking what is the action they are doing. That is, first what he is doing? The boy is hitting the ball. Next what they are doing? They are riding a bicycle. So that is the action. Avanga enna vela seiranga. So first what he is doing? Hitting the ball. Hitting the ball. Next what he is doing? The next picture, he is riding a bicycle. He is riding a bicycle. Okay, so these are the 2 actions. Next we are going to see is motion. Next what we are going to see? Motion. So motion means iyakam. Okay, they are movement. When an object or a thing moves from one place to another, from here to that side. Okay, one moves from one place to another, it is said to be in motion. Okay, that is moving from one place to another. It is called as a motion. What is motion? When an object or a thing, any object, this for example, if you take table, if I am taking the table from here and putting it there, that is I am moving it from one place to another place. That is called as a motion. Okay. So, or a thing moves from one place to another. This is called as a motion. Okay, next we'll see force. Now what is force now? So we are going to the lessons now. That is force. Force is a push or a pull of an object. So what is force? Force is a push or pull of an object. So push means what I said, thalradhu. Pull means ilukkiradhu. Okay, why? How we are doing that? By applying force on it. Yeah, so that is force. A force is a push or a pull of an object which make it move. Okay, that is from one place. What I am doing now, I am pushing the bench now. So I am moving it from one place to another. It is moving. Yeah, so which make it move, changes its shape or stops it from moving. That is, I am taking the bench from here and I am keeping it there and it stops it. Yeah, it stops it from moving. Then force involves an interaction. Interaction means செயல்பாடு. புரியுதா? Okay, between two objects. That is interaction. ரெண்டு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கும் செயல்பாடுக்குன்னு நடக்குவாங்க. Interaction between two or more objects. Force can lift. Lift means தூக்குறது. Drop means கீழே போடுறது. இல்லையா? Force can lift or drop an object. So force involves an interaction between two or more objects and force can lift or drop any object. So without force we can't move any object. அதாவது ஒரு force இல்லாமல் நம்ம எதுவும் push பண்ணவும் முடியாது, pull பண்ணவும் முடியாது. இல்லையா? அது ரெண்டு பண்ணதுக்கும் நம்ம என்ன வேணும்? We have to have force in that. So whether if you want to push it or pull it, we want force to do it. Okay, so without force we cannot move any object. So what is here? Without force we cannot move any object. So whether to push or pull, what we need? We need force. So without force we cannot move any object. Then next, first we will see in that. So in the force I said push or pull. So we need both. So first we will see about push. Now when a force is applied in the direction of an object, that is, I am here. Okay, direction of an object, straight the object is here, I am pushing it. Okay, that is called as a push. So when force is applied in the direction of an object, one object is here, I am applying directly. Okay, this is called as a push. So when here, so what is push? When here force is applied in the direction of an object. Direction of an object is called push. Okay, when a force is applied in the direction of the object, it is called push. Now next is pull. Pull is when a force applied in the direction opposite, it is opposite to the object, is called pull. That is, the object is opposite. நமக்கு எதிரே இருக்கிறது இல்லையா? That is opposite to us. That what we are doing, we are pulling it. That is, when is object in our opposite direction, நமக்கு எதிரே இருக்கிறது இல்லையா? That when what we are doing, we are pulling it. Okay, so what is pull? That is when a force applied in the direction opposite to the object, it is called as a pull. Now what is push now? When a force is applied in the direction of an object, is called as a push. Now when a force applied in the direction opposite to the object is called as a pull. Now you all know, children, what is push and what is pull. Now next, now put a tick mark for the pictures of motion. That is, 5 pictures are given here. Okay, so we have to take whether it is a push or pull. Now first is, see the picture, what the boy is doing. Pictures in the motion, that is pulling the cart. So you have to put tick there. So next, chairs are there, that is in the motion? No. Okay, so we have to put wrong. They are in the same place, they are not moving, so it is wrong. Then next, a horse. Okay, a horse cart is there, so what? They are moving, though we have to put tick. Next, a boy is sleeping. He is in motion? No. He is moving? No. So it is wrong. The next, a boy playing with the ball. So it is tick. Okay. Now we will see the classify the following push or pull. Now so we have to write the activities given here. Push or pull we have to write. So first one is riding the bicycle. Riding the bicycle. So what is doing? Is riding the bicycle. That is pushing. Is not pulling it. Yeah. So it is push. Riding a bicycle. Next. Moving the table towards you. Moving the table towards you. That is the table is in the opposite direction. Okay. So it is in the opposite direction. What you are doing? You are moving it. That means it is pull. The next they have given dragging the chair. Dragging the chair. Dragging na thalradhu. Okay. Dragging the chair. இழுத்துட்டு வராங்க. சரியா? So dragging means இழுக்கிறது. So dragging the chair. So dragging means pull. Next they have asked moving a car to start. Moving a car to start. So we have seen many places that if the car does not start means what they will do? They will move. இல்லையா? அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? கார் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகலைன்னா காரை வந்து தள்ளுவாங்க. இல்லையா? So that is push. Then next is opening the window. Opening the window. So how do we open the window? We push it. Yeah, so we open the window by pushing. Next, stretching the rubber band. What is called it? Stretching the rubber band. So what is stretching by rubber band? That is pulling. Yeah. So stretching the rubber band is pull. Stretching na the rubber band. Then removing the shoelaces. Removing na removing the shoe. நம்ம ஷூ லேஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது நம்ம எடுக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, ரிமூவ் பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஆஸ் அ புல். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த புஷ் அண்ட் புல் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ். ஸோ ரைடிங் த பைசைக்கிள், புஷ். மூவிங் த டேபிள் டுவர்ட்ஸ் யூ, புல். dragging the chair, pull. Moving a car to start, push. Opening the window, push. Stretching rubber band, pull. And removing the shoelace also comes in pull. Next we are going to see what are the effects of forces. Forces la enna effects irukku. First, to apply force you need energy. So energy namakku enga irundhu varudhu? Nama saapra saapaadu illaya, we take food. So from the food we get the energy. So from where do we get the energy? We get energy from the food we eat. அது என்ன ஆகுது? நம்ம சாப்பிட்ற சாப்பாடு வந்து அது என்னவா கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுது? எனர்ஜியாக ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. சரியா? ஸோ எனர்ஜி இஸ் நீடட் டு அப்ளை ஃபோர்ஸ். ஸோ நம்ம ஃபோர்ஸ் போடணும்னா நமக்கு என்ன தேவை? we need energy. Now force helps us to do the following things. So what are the force helps us to do? Force can change the direction. What it can do? It can change the direction. So force can change the direction. Change the direction. Then next is force can change the speed. Speed na theriyum illaya, force can change the speed also. So these are the effects. Force can change the speed. Then force can stop a moving object. So force can stop the moving object. So எந்த பொருளும் மூவ் ஆயிட்டு இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம அதை என்ன பண்ணோம்? Can stop also. Then next effect is force can change the shape. Force can change the shape. So these are the 4 effects of forces. So what are the effects? Can change the direction. Okay, any place you can change. Then it can change the speed, can go slow, otherwise fast, like that. Then can stop the moving object also, that is எந்த ஒரு பொருளும் நகர்த்திட்டு இருக்கும்போது என்ன பண்ணலாம், it can stop. Then change the shape, it can change the shape also. Then forces, first we'll see force changes the direction. Now here in the picture, see here, they are playing shuttlecock. Badminton விளையாடுவாங்க இல்லையா, எத்தனை பேர் விளையாடுவாங்க அதில்? Two people will play இல்லையா, நடுவில் நெட் இருக்கும். 2 people will be playing with the rocket. Then here in the picture, a boy hits the shuttlecock and it reaches the other boy. So opposite நின்னுட்டு இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா. So when he hits the cock, what happens? It goes to a boy which is on the other side, இல்லையா, opposite direction. So and reaches the other boy. What he does again? He hits it again, okay, with the racket to move it to the opposite direction. So what he is doing? He is taking the racket and hits the shuttlecock there. What that boy is doing is again hits the cock with the rattle. So it's coming in the again opposite direction. So what we saw now changes the direction. So it can move from there or it can move from here also. Yeah. Then force changes motion, movement I said. The cycle, everyone knows cycle, moves forward. Forward na முன்னாடி போறது. Okay, forward because force is applied on the cycle by pedaling. எப்படி எல்லாரும் நம்ம சைக்கிள் சின்ன பசங்கலாம் ஓட்றாங்க இப்பலாம் இல்லையா, அவங்க எப்படி ஓட்றாங்க? By the pedaling இல்லையா. So what happens when we put the force on the leg, that is pedaling fast பண்ணோம்னா fast போகும் சைக்கிள், pedaling slow பண்ணோம்னா என்ன ஆகும்? slow போகும் சைக்கிள் இல்லையா. So நம்ம போடுற forceல தான் இருக்கு. So if you put force fast, what will do? Cycle will move fast. If we pedal slowly, we put force slowly means the cycle also will move slowly இல்லையா. So the cycle moves forward because force is applied on the cycle by pedaling. Now when we stop pedaling, what happens? The cycle also stops. Yeah, when we move fast, there was fast pedaling, the cycle moves fast. If we go slowly, the cycle moves slowly. If we stop pedaling, what happens? We stop, the cycle stops. Now when we stop pedaling, the force is removed and the cycle stops and come to rest in a stop item. Okay. So this is called as the phase changes in the motion. Next is the see here, some applications of force in everyday life, that is opening the door. Okay, these are all we do daily. Then pulling rope in the tug of war. Then pulling rope from the well. கிணறுல இருந்து நம்ம தண்ணி எடுக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, that is also a normal day we do in our daily life. Then force can change the speed, that is force change the speed. Force can change the speed of a body which is already in motion by providing more force on it. அதாவது நம்ம வந்து normally, for example, if you take a cycle itself, we are going fast. இன்னும் நம்ம ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக போனோம்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், இன்னும் நம்ம ஃபோர்ஸ் வந்து ஜாஸ்தியாக போடணும் இல்லையா, நம்ம ஸ்பீட் ஜாஸ்தியாகணும்னா. ஸோ ஃபோர்ஸ் கேன் சேஞ்ச் த ஸ்பீட் ஆஃப் அ பாடி விச் இஸ் ஆல்ரெடி இன் மூமெண்ட், ஆல்ரெடி இன் மோஷன் by providing more force on it. So நம்ம ஜாஸ்தியாக ஃபோர்ஸ் போட்டோம்னா அது ஜாஸ்தியாக போகும். Then for example, see here, Ram and his brother are playing with a toy car. Okay, they are playing with a toy car. Ram tries to move the toy car and his brother stops it. So Ram, what he is doing is moving the toy car, but what his brother is doing is stops it from the opposite direction to slow down the toy car. So these forces are the changes in the speed of an object. So this one is the one of the example. So okay children, we'll see in the next class, children. Thank you.